It has been a really long day. How are you? I want to show you guys. I am slightly peeling from my AERIFY, and we're going to go live with my friend Michelle, who's been dying to do the AERIFY kit. I'm going to teach you guys about it. I'm going to talk about it, but I want to show you right now. I've been doing the AERIFY for the past couple days, and I have some light flaking, all because of the retinol. You can see the flaking here, the retinol, and the high spot brightening botanical cream. Let me slide you guys over. That's perfect. Let's go live with Michelle and we'll talk more. So I'm trying to get that perfect skin. My AERIFY kit, as you guys know, was designed by me to Michelle.
Hi, how are you?
She's here, you guys. She's already beautiful, but she's here. We needed to get her ready for her friend's wedding, right?
Yeah, of course.
We just got to make you look really good. So I'm just telling everybody a second about the AERIFY kit because everyone's been asking. I'm doing it. I'm on day 2 right now, and you can see I'm a little red, very minimal.
Yeah, I can
with
barely tell.
a little bit of flaking. Exactly. The point is that this is like a micro peel. But look, if I go like this, I'm going to show you. You could see the cells. See?
Yeah.
My
There's like a little bit of dead skin there.
Exactly. So it's working, but it's micro peeling so that you don't have to have downtime, and you can look really good every day, and then it enhances over the next 2 weeks. So they're asking, what is this? This is called AERIFY, you guys. This is the Complexion Revival peeling kit that I created. It's at emeragecosmetics.com. When you open it up, it has in it foaming cleanser, retinol, a lightening high spot cream, which is a botanical and brightening cream, a sunscreen, and then also the mask and the moisturizer, which I'll talk about.
So it's an all-in-one kit.
What'd you say?
I said it's an all-in-one kit with everything.
All-in-one kit. And the reason we did it was because so many people spend a lot of money on skincare, and I wanted them to have something that wasn't that expensive, that they could get like a doctor or dermatologist-like result at home, and also try the EMERAGE Skin products. But the coolest part, this is my favorite part, the card inside is the instructions for the peeling. When you open it up, it has all the products in there, basically the mask, the cleanser, the vitamin A, the lightening cream, the moisturizer, and the sunscreen, and then the instructions on how to do it morning and night. You could see nighttime, morning, nighttime, morning. It tells you how to do it. Yeah. So for $250, you're basically getting a dermatologist-like peel plus skincare products. And you know, I mean, how much money do people spend on expensive skincare products that don't do anything?
Like hundreds. Like you go to Sephora, it's all marketing. You don't know if it really works.
Exactly. And that's the thing. So I didn't want to just like jump to Sephora and make a product line that smells good and kind of feels good but doesn't do anything. I wanted people to see results. Tell me a little bit about you. I want my viewers to know, because we're friends, and I told them like you were really wanting to do this. Also, just so you know, I don't know if you know this, but my best friend Helen, who helped me create this kit, is from Shanghai, and she's Chinese. And we made this because we wanted those with sensitive skin or different ethnicities be able to use a kit that they could trust without any risk to their skin.
Yeah, so right now I'm in Texas, but I have combination skin, and I've done a peel before, but I really want to try this one because I knew it wasn't a lot of downtime. And for me, like when I did a peel last time, it was just all over and like flaking during work, and it was like kind of embarrassing. So for me to be on like Zoom calls for work, I thought the AERIFY kit would be great for it, and I was like so excited to try it. I know you from mutual friends, so yeah.
No, I'm excited about that, because what type of peel did you have before? Do you know what it was?
I think I had the VI peel, and it was just everywhere.
Yeah, and that's a inflammatory peel. So when you place that on the skin, it makes your skin typically peel off in sheets over a certain number of days. This is a mask peel. It's different. You apply the mask and you leave it on overnight, and then it tells your skin to shed a little bit every day. So that's why when if you see my nose right now, it just has like flaking. So you get the results slowly, which
Oh.
makes it more better for sensitive skin
Mhm.
and less risk of complications like pigmentation, burns, redness. It's really good for acne outbreaks. It's great for women with hormonal pigmentation or blemishes.
Which is like
Um,
all me right here, like the jawline, like a little
yeah,
bit here.
all the girls I know, like their periods come and they get a little bit here. So basically that's the thing. And so they're asking, is it for all ages? Yes, it is. Oh, Beverly, she said she just started using our EMERAGE skin products and she's loving them. Beverly, you need to tag us. You do a video showing us the use of the products. I appreciate it. And they're asking where to get it. And I said, are they calling it skincare for dummies? This is truly skincare for dummies because, so you guys know, this is your Cliff Notes version. Anyone that went to college that cheats uses Cliff Notes. So you could see AERIFY complexion peeling, and it tells you what it's for. It's for brightening, clarifying, and firming. And then you open it, and the instructions are in here. Phase 1 is the peel, which you're going to apply now, right? We'll talk about
Yes.
in a minute. And then phase 2 is the products that you can use for 2 weeks. Now, the other thing is, I know people are obsessed with their products. So I don't want to take them away from them. I only want to enhance it. So you can actually add this to most of your products. But many of the people that I know, they're using cosmeceutical brands like at Sephora and stuff, and they're not medical grade. This is truly medical grade. So you can combine this with a facial oil that you like or a toner, or you could just say, I'm going to see how EMERAGE Skin works and forget it. And for 2 weeks, use the product kit. And I love the packaging because it's very Chanel-like, which my best friend Helen from Shanghai loves Chanel. And
I
I
think
said to her,
every
I want
Asian girl loves
sleek.
Chanel.
Do you see? Every Asian girl loves some Chanel. So I like it just to be simple. And that's why, so let me show them. So inside the kit, again, here's the kit with the products. You could see the mask. So this is the aerifying illuminating mask. Wait a second, we'll put that on. It's a yellowish orange color because it's retinol based. It also does have in it a little bit of TCA, which is a stronger acid, retinol, salicylic acid, which gets rid of acne, and a couple brightening botanicals, kojic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin C. The vitamin C that's in this is 20%. The niacinamide is redness reducing, so it calms the skin, and the kojic acid is an alternative to a bleach. So you don't have to have a bleaching cream.
Yeah.
And so that's what's in this, and that's the highest strength peel you can get over the counter. You don't need to come to the office for this. This is why I made it, so that you guys can get a dermatologist treatment at home, which is why Michelle's doing it, because she doesn't have to go to the office to do the VI peel.
Of course. And that peel burns a lot too.
Yeah, and that's the thing. This does not burn. I will tell you though, I am a little sensitive today because the retinol. So the main ingredient in this is retinol in the mask, you guys, but also in the Hyla A. Now in my own skincare line, which I always tell people, look, you can boost the kit by getting my growth factor, which is called Refit Face and Eye, and also the Hyla B, which is a hyaluronic acid. It's the plumper, the sort of skin softener. You can add that, but that's what's in the Hyla A. There's hyaluronic acid. And every woman and every man wants fine wrinkles to be improved and softening of their skin. So the vitamin A that's here is strong, but we wanted to calm it down by adding licorice root and hyaluronic acid. So this product, which I'll show you really quickly, is a little bit of a color. Hold on. There we go. You can see it's a little bit of a color because it has retinol. But the retinol that you guys people normally use, which can be irritating, even at a 0.5%, has the hyaluronic in it, so it's not irritating. And I usually tell people a couple pumps of that at night. Now the high spot, which is, you guys can see here, brighten and glow. That's our vitamin C and our botanicals. And the cool thing about this has blueberry extract, mulberry, green tea. It has peptides, which are for anti-aging, more vitamin C, and licorice root. So it's basically a botanical combination. Again, highest grade. That's why it's it's stronger than any peel you can get over the counter, but you don't need to go to a doctor's office for it. And this has basically the peptides. Now, the Refit Face and Eye that I made for EMERAGE Skin, that also has peptides, but at a higher level. So if you wanted more anti-aging, you could do that, which I'm going to send you. I want to get you a bunch of the products. I want you to try the full line.
Yeah.
So tell me more. What do you do right now for your skin?
Right now, I do like kind of a 5-step routine. So cleanser, toner, serum that is clinical hydrocool. They sell it on your website where I got it. And then the eye creams and a moisturizer.
That's perfect. I mean, I love having some sort of hyaluronic acid every morning. So my Hyla B is like that. The is clinically, you just said, hydrocool is awesome. That's another hyaluronic. I also like toners, which at the end of the year, we're coming out with 2 toning mists and pads. One's a vitamin A toner, another is a enzyme toner. Right now, I use one from Rev Skin called Acne Purifying Enhancer. I'm literally obsessed with it. It's algae, vitamin C, and salicylic acid. I literally just spray it all over my body every morning and night because I love it, and I do it before my creams. That's not in the kit, but you can use it with it. And I do agree with using an eye serum. We made Refit Eye, which is all peptides, but there's a lot of other. The Sente Eye is very high moisturizing, and then there's other growth factors that you can use around the eye and stem cells. My product is peptides, but there's also stem cells like anti-age that you can use around the eye. So you're doing pretty much everything really well. What I want to do is have you use the kit, and then in 2 weeks from now, we look at your skin, and then we enhance your daily treatment. What do you do every day that you need to be on these Zoom calls and looking good?
I am in marketing, so it's a lot of presentations and things like that.
So you have to tell me, what do you think of our branding for the kit?
I think it's so good because it's simple, it's easy to read instead of like the flowery prints that you see. That's all about smell. And also like for your branding, it does tell a story of like beginning to the end of like how to actually take care of your skin instead of just trying to cover things up.
Well, that's the thing. I feel like nowadays people really want a result, and a lot of the brands, they have really good, beautiful models and they have nice pictures, but the treatments are just basic. They're not really medical grade. So I wanted products that worked, that had good quality that people could rely on. And also, I also kind of made it about courage. So if you look at the back, it says the courage to redefine. And the reason I put that there was when I moved to LA, everyone told me, don't move there. It's so competitive. You're never going to be successful. And here we are now 6 years later. We have a skincare line. We're successful. People are getting great results. So I said that was based on the courage I took to move. I want people's skin to look so good that they'll use their courage in any way that's going to make them happy. So I wrote here, beauty is a judgment often placed on us by others. Courage is a natural occurring element already inside of you. We believe how you feel about yourself is all that really matters. So that, when your skin looks good, you feel good.
Yeah, and I love that you also have like a nonprofit part of your skincare line as well.
And actually, I'll tell you, we're going to be donating next month our first amount. I think it's $10,000.
Wow.
To what'd you say?
I said that's amazing.
I know. I think I can't announce who it is yet, but I'll tell you. So we're going to announce that because people who are ordering from not just EMERAGE Skin, but emeragecosmetics.com, which is kind of all-encompassing brands that I really love that actually work, including mine, but other brands, we're donating a small amount of every order to different groups. I'm hoping that by the end of the year, I can do it where you pick your own to where you want it to go to. But right now, I'm following everything, and then we pick. So let me answer some of my questions. So Beverly, we don't have the retinol in our line yet because it's in the kit, but it will be coming out, a full-size version of this at the end of the year. I figured at the beginning, I wanted core ingredients, and I wanted people to do the kit because this gives you a big result. And I had to pick a certain number of products, and I really wanted my peptides to be a core because it's anti-aging. So the Hyla A will be coming out in a large bottle at the end of the year, and the High Spot will actually be coming out at the end of the year too. This is like your alternative bleaching. I love this because a lot of people don't want to use hydroquinone every day, which is a bleaching cream. And obviously, even in Asia, you can't even distribute it. So we wanted to make something I could give to my international clients as well. So that's the high spot. Now, the other thing is they're asking about when can you use this after Enlighten Peel. So just so you know about Helen, who helped me make this, Helen and I created the Enlighten Peel, which is a doctor dispensed. You have to get it through a doctor. Stronger peel, 1 to 2 weeks. I tell people use this 1 week after Enlighten and then every 2 to 4 weeks. So if you really want to keep your skin turning over for inexpensive, I mean, even 2 of these is less than a couple products I know from products like companies like La Mer and you know, other big name brands that have very expensive products that make your, you know, skin glow, but they may not give you the acne improvement, the blemishes. So you're really getting a lot, you know, out of this.
Yeah.
What do you feel about that? I mean, have you used a lot of those brands?
Yeah, I've used a lot of those brands, and then also they're from such big conglomerate companies. You don't really know the ingredients. So I always love smaller indie brands because they always care more about who's using it and if you actually get the results.
And that's the thing. My thing is that's why I actually wrote in the cards that come with our products, it says tag us, because I want people to show the results. I always thought of this kid as being like the mom that has 4 kids and can never get to the dermatologist but wants to look good, so she does this at home overnight. The girl that has to look good on her business meetings on Zoom, like you're talking about, so that she gets her promotion and gets the sale, you know, or you're going to do headshots next week, you're getting married. My friends were telling me they saw one of your posts saying that you were going to The Rock's wedding.
No.
That's what they said.
I love their team, though. They're great, but I have worked with his team.
Well, I hope you do. That'd be really good. That we got to make sure you look good if you do. I got to get, you know, some of those. I got to get this. To me, actually, is funny. Originally when I thought about this, a lot of my male athletes that don't like to do a lot of things, I made this because it's so easy for them. They literally could put this on overnight once or twice a month and use the products, and they have everything they need. You know, so I thought about, you know, the acne that athletes get when they wear helmets and stuff like that. They're saying, does this get rid of upper lip lines? No, this isn't that strong. This is for complexion, blemishes, your booster. A trick that I haven't told anybody yet, but we're going to make a video. You can use this peel around the eye. So you can literally just put a little bit here every week and brighten your eye area. And so you could literally use this on a full face, but this could last about 4 different weekly treatments around the eye. So if dark circles bother you, you could use this. So the other thing I want to show them before you do the peel is my foaming cleanser, because this has been a staple seller right now online at emeragecosmetics.com. Most cleansers are very drying. This cleanser has in it jojoba beads. You know those beads that you normally get in cleansers that kind of scrape the skin?
Yeah.
But they're supposed to hydrate and exfoliate. These are actually infused inside, so it's hydrating. It's like almost like getting fish oil on your skin. It's very hydrating and moisturizing. The other thing that I wanted to tell people is inside it is licorice root and something called marine sea whip, which is brightening. So your skin gets a treatment with the cleanser, not just a degreasing. So this isn't just to take off oil. This is to brighten the skin. So your acne is going to improve with this cleanser as well. And you can get this independently. The enzyme cleanser that I have that I also wanted in here, but my team was like, you can only pick one cleanser. The enzyme cleanser, which has in it papaya and other fruit acids, is a great morning cleanser for this. So if you wanted to boost the kit, get the enzyme polish for the morning. But if you can only afford the kit, just use this kit, use this cleanser twice a day. But again, the growth factors, the refit eye and face, you could add in at morning and night as well if you want to do more anti-aging. So why don't you show them? Do you want to apply?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, apply the kit so they could see. Now inside, I'll talk to them while you're applying. There's also a hydrating balm because I wanted people to have at least a good hydrator. And this has in it our vitamin C, yeah, exactly. That's perfect. So the color is going to be, in some people, a little bit darker, a little lighter, but it's like a yellowish orange color when you rub it in. And here's the thing, don't waste it. Let it all go in. And any of those spots you have, show them. Put a little extra on there. Really get a good coverage, because I'm telling you, you're going to be super happy. This is the illuminating mask that she's applying right now, you guys. She's going to get a really amazing result. And also, being Asian skin tone, she has to be really careful about what type of peels and things she uses. So I'm very excited that she's using mine, because I know it's going to be successful. And Helen will be so happy. I'm going to tell Raul to send this to Helen, because Helen's going to be so thrilled. How does it feel? Do you feel anything or no?
Not yet, but
Good.
I do know from like old peels, they're always like, don't do anything because it can cause pigmentation. So I'm like excited about this peel.
Yeah, you're going to get rid of pigmentation with this. Now, the last thing I didn't talk about is the Fusion Shield. This is our sunscreen. I love it because it's tinted. It's great for those that want just a camouflage of their eye. This is another big seller online right now. Probably one of the best sunscreens I know in terms of pigment and covering, because it has a matte finish and you could put makeup on top of it, and even mists and setters. Don't be shy. You can go up here. Just don't obviously put it into your eye, but you can go all the way up, go all the way to the hairline, rub it in. If you could see, I actually got some on my hair, and it's like a little orange dye. It won't dye it permanently, but it will go away. And this has vitamin C in it, as well as the marine extract. So you're getting a anti-aging product at the same time. This will help your acne, because they're asking about it. And yes, we're trying to give back. I love the High the B as well. So yeah, keep using it. Do your upper lip, because that tends to be an area where women get a little pigmentation. You can go closer to the eye. You can go all the way around.
Got it.
And yeah, we just want to get that full amount on there. So keep covering. And what she's going to do, you guys, she's going to put this on for 8 to 10 hours. So I go to sleep in it. Honestly, if you fall asleep in it more than 10 hours, it's not going to harm you. It's similar to the other peel I created called Enlighten, but a less of a strength. And again, can be done over the counter. No doctor necessary. If you're a provider, you guys, you want to carry this, because this is something you can have your patients go home with and do after a laser. About a week after a laser, they could do it immediately after facials and do this overnight and literally boost the complexion of their skin. Hi. And does it burn? I don't think she said no. It should not burn.
No burning. A lot of times, like, I have to put a fan on top, but this one doesn't burn.
No, this is not. I am making an at-home facial in a box. That's probably going to come out at the first of the year. That is a liquid that you peel, that you put on, and then you actually peel for a couple days. This is different. Again, this is going to make you just light red, maybe a little sensitive, but it's not bad. So we want a fully covered. Raul, make sure you tell Helen. Love you, Sean. So she's applying the full mask. And are you done with the whole thing or no?
Yeah, I used it all up.
That's perfect. No, that's good. I'm glad. So you have that on there. And then what you're going to do, this is the trick, you guys. Twice a day, you're going to use the high spot, okay? Twice a day, 1 to 2 dabs. Usually a couple pieces. I tell people 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rub it all in, go up to the eyes. The Hyla A is once a day, but at night. But if you want more of a result, do it twice a day.
Okay.
You're going to peel more. That's what I'm doing, but it will give you a better result. The cleanser, you're going to do morning and night. Okay. And again, like I said, if you want to boost the results, I know she's so well versed in skincare. She's our TikTok guru. If you want to boost your skincare and you want to get more out of this, do the enzyme polish in the morning that you can get online separately, but do this twice a day, at night, and then use the sunscreen as needed in the morning. And then if you get dry, you can use the Soothe that's in the kit. This is a little thicker, so I would tell people to do this at night. However, if you have the Hyla B or any hyaluronic acid serum, do that in the morning.
Okay.
So, and I love this is for everyone. Everyone's saying they love that everyone can do it. Where do I get something for my bad under eyes? You need to do a free virtual consult with us at emeragecosmetics.com, or just start this peel. You could use it on the eyes. And then the instruction sheet that you guys will get is inside. You could use this instruction sheet. But tell me what you're excited about. What are you going to do? I'm hoping I get videos from you every couple days We're going to get pictures and we're going to look back. Everyone that does this, they don't notice a change until they see the before and after, because it's so minimal every day.
Yeah, I'm like excited to get rid of the dark spots and just like some of the acne scarring. I do get hormonal acne, so I put some on the jawline, but just getting rid of the spots because it's like summer too, and like you always have to like stay in and put on sunscreen.
Yeah, the other good thing about this is you really don't have to hide from the sun from this, because it's not that burning type of peel. Okay. And women, if you know you get acne outbreaks, put this on once a month. I mean, literally just put it where you know you get it. Do it overnight. Do it once a month, like a couple days before your period. It's less likely you'll get those outbreaks. The orders, just so you guys know, they go out within 24 hours. Actually, if you order in the day, I have a team of 4. They just send it out immediately. But all the shipping, which is worldwide, we could ship international anywhere. We have Australia orders, Canada orders. We sent to China. We've done everything. But it all depends on the shipping method that you pick. Yeah. COVID has made a lot of the shipping companies really slow, you guys. So let me review one more time. I just want to tell you guys, the cool thing about this high spot is it has super high vitamin C, but it also has the green tea in it, and it has the mulberry extract. It has the licorice root. It's amazing. And the vitamin A, the retinol, has the licorice root and the hyaluronic acid in it, and the Fusion Shield, which Alexa is saying she loves the tint in this because it's very matte, you guys. And if you go look at my YouTube, I have a lot of videos of me using this. And Beverly's saying her order came in 2 days. We love you, Beverly. I mean, you are like amazing. I have to throw something in your next order. DM us. I'll throw you a little gift. Vitamin C in this as well. So Alexa, just so you know, it's not just a camouflage. This also has vitamin C and marine extracts. So you're going to get tightening of the skin as well as camouflage. And then the mask, which you have on right now.
Great.
So this is an exfoliation and brightening peel, you guys. Everybody is going, Michelle, everyone is going to watch you. You know this. I mean, they're going to be so excited to see how you do. So make sure you just do some posts and show us over the next few days. Take those pictures. Someone just ordered Lubella. We can't wait. Let us know and tag us, everybody, when you guys get this. But Marielle, just so you know, this is a lightening peel. So show them really up close what it looks like.
So it looks kind of orangey, but it doesn't feel like it's burning.
Good.
And, you know, like I will post pictures and we'll see like the different colors of like how the spots go away.
And then so you guys can see I'm a couple days out. See my skin? It's literally just coming off. Light peeling, but you'll still look good on Zoom. I did a webinar today and everyone thought I looked great and they didn't know I did the peel. So all right, well, thank you so much. You're the best.
Thank you.
I can't wait. We'll get you some more products too after the 2 weeks, because I want you to then do the EMERAGE protocol.
Skincare line.
Exactly, it'll be perfect.
So excited.
All right, thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. See you.
All right, you guys. So that was again another person doing our AERIFY. I'm so excited. Just so you know, AERIFY is going to be a collection. The initial one is our Complexion Revival Peeling Kit. We're going to have a post laser microneedling and facial kit. We're going to have an at-home facial in a box. And we have a bunch of others coming up. This is really great. I mean, this is like your at-home treatment. This is something you add on to your skincare. Again, inside the beautiful instructions showing you how to use it, what it's for, all the products that are inside, which are highly medical grade. All providers, you really should start using this post-laser, pre-laser to prepare, and also between facials. Patients that get facials every month should do this kit every couple weeks. And then how long it takes to get to Manhattan depends on the postal service that you choose. We'll send it out, order it now, we'll send it the next day. Just make sure you guys, my opinion, you should do face, neck, and chest if you have a lot of sun exposure, or at least face and neck, which means you'd want 2 kits. We're gonna make just the individual masks very soon, so that you can order those for just an eye area or a neck or a hand, for example. But for right now, this is our initial kit and people are loving it. So stay tuned to see Michelle. We're following all these people. We are open. You can make appointments at jasonmrmd.com or go to EMERAGE Cosmetics and go to the top to virtual consult. You can also click EMERAGE Skin. If you do it, you can do it the same day as you microneedle. If you want, you're going to get a stronger result, but you can. If not, do the microneedling, wait till you heal 3 to 5 days, then start the peel. Yes, the website is emeragecosmetics.com. It's also going to be on our IGTV, also on Emerage Skin Instagram. It's everywhere, guys. Go take a look. Love you all. Can't wait till you guys all try AERIFY.